it's like this place would be an office building or?
Yeah.
But it's in Tikkurila, Tikkurila. What's the address?
Kiinteistöosakeyhtiö Neilikkatie 17.
Yeah, Neilikkatie 17, maybe over there. Here in Tikkurila, Tikkurila, Vantaa, Vantaa, Helsinki, Espoossa, and also in Finland. I think it was 6 floors here, but, or 7.
6 floors, yeah.
6 floors.
But basement is locked off.
Oh, okay. And China's not working.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Still the original scenic elevators around it. And
Yeah.
Yeah, one. Yeah, Imai's phone is still here.
Yeah.
Preserved. And this number is B1NE0620, going to be inspected this year, it's 2023, and built in 1990. 35 years old in 2023, right, 25. Very beautiful. I'd like to know if it's early 1990 or late. So
Yeah.
we'll know it later.
Yeah.
It's next to all this door.
Yeah.
This is another place I didn't know where they have scenic elevators in Tikkurila.
Yeah.
We knew of the Sokos Hotel Vantaa,
Yeah.
and then it's here.
Mm. Inspected by B1NE0620 and maintained by Otis on Neilikkatie.
They're very fresh still.
Yeah.
Luckily they didn't modernize it
Yeah.
with any batch racks. At least yet.
Yeah.
The theater was beautiful. The plants are beautiful.
Yeah.
They give us these 10 buses high diagrams. Although we change elevators on the top 5th floor.
Yeah.
I love this rounded scenic design here.
Same.
They were expensive.
Yeah.
But it still is like a normal office building, but with this usual scenic designs.
Yeah.
So we know it's a regular office building, but it's still made quite specially.
Yeah.
It's kind of specially made still, and these are part of the post-modernist heritage, of course.
Yeah.
And the exterior as well.
Yeah.
Also built in 1990, turning 35 years old in 2025, and it's the number is B1NE0621. Nice floors locked off. Just too much is found here. On the second ride.
Yeah.
ALSD is 10 buses high track rams. Will be inspected in this year, 2023. Maybe there's a freight elevator in the building. But
Yeah.
I think it's probably embarrassing.
Yeah.
Because it's already not easy here.
Mm. Inspected by B1NE0620 and maintained by Otis on Neilikkatie.
For one, but it could have been green.
Yeah.
Or maybe with this green square. And Also, maybe they could have had a little bit more plants in the atrium itself here.
Yeah.
But it's still amazing. That's it, thank you very much. Yes.
That's